The Secret Life of Pets. Meet the Pets. By Mary Mankong. Do you ever wonder what your pets do when you're not home? Meet Max and his friends to find out. Max is one lucky dog. He lives in New York City in an apartment building filled with his pals. Max loves his owner, Katie, and waits all day for her to come home. Duke was adopted from the pound. He is Max's new brother. Duke is excited about his new home, but Max isn't ready to share. Gidget loves Max. She is the sweetest Pomeranian, but don't let her squeaky voice and puffy fur fool you. Gidget would go anywhere or do anything to save Max. Chloe is one fussy feline. Chloe can't be bothered unless you have food. Max is one of her best friends, even though he's a dog. Mel is a friendly pug, but not when it comes to squirrels. He thinks squirrels are gonna take over the world. Mel chases and barks at them every chance he gets. Buddy is short, long, and awesome. Mel and Buddy are best friends. Buddy and Mel go a long way to help their pal Max. Norman is always lost. The guinea pig travels through the building's air vents looking for his home. Somehow, he always ends up at Max's house. Leonard looks like a pretty posh poodle, but Leonard turns up the volume and becomes a heavy metal mutt after his owners leave. Even though Pops needs a doggy wheelchair, this old basset hound gets around. He knows the city like he knows the back of his paw. When Max goes missing, Pops leads his friends on the search to find him. Snowball is one tough bunny. Abandoned by his owner, Snowball vowed revenge on all humans. He is the leader of the Flushed Pets. These abandoned pets live in the sewers beneath New York City. This cat has a bad attitude. Ozone and his gang rule the alleys and fight dirty. They don't like intruders on their territory. This tough pot-bellied pig got inked by his owners. They practiced drawing their tattoos on him. Now Tattoo works for Snowball and is faithful second in command. Snowball and his gang rescued Ripper from animal control. Ripper wears a muzzle because his bite is worse than his bark. Derek was flushed when he got too big. Now a member of the Flushed Pets, he is Snowball's backup on dangerous missions. Bearded Dragon is a cold-blooded lizard. He loves to drive cars, even though he doesn't know how. He is crazy at the wheel. Max and his friends and the Flushed Pets are all special and need lots of love. Thank you for joining us with this book. For more great books, make sure you subscribe to our channel.